Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling picture-in-picture so YouTube can run over other apps. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find YouTube, then enable picture-in-picture. This lets video float while you switch. Once done, make sure the YouTube app is updated. Updates fix PyP behavior. If you see a permission prompt about drawing over other apps, grant it now. Doing this prepares your phone. You're ready to open a video and move to the next actionable step. Now open YouTube and play the video you want. Tap Home or use the Recent Apps button to trigger picture-in-picture. The video will collapse into a movable window. Alternatively, in Recent, tap the YouTube app icon and choose Open in pop-up view. That gives a resizable overlay you can position. You can drag corners to resize and move it to any screen area. This method keeps audio and video visible while you switch to email. Finish by choosing split screen if you need two full apps visible. Open Recent, tap the app icon, and select Open in split screen view. Then pick YouTube or your second app. Use the PyP controls on the floating window to play, pause, close, or expand back to full screen. Make sure audio focus is allowed in app settings so background sound continues. If the video fails to float, toggle picture-in-picture off and back on, or restart the phone. That usually resolves permission hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.